Hi, friends. Don't forget, November is a month about being thankful. And we've been talking about being thankful together in class because we're getting ready for a holiday all about being thankful called Thanksgiving. So today I want to read to you a book called The Thankful Book. So you can start thinking of more things to be thankful for so you'll be ready for Thanksgiving. So this is The Thankful Book, and it's another book by Todd Parr. He's the author and the illustrator. So he wrote the words and drew the pictures. I've read a couple of books by Todd Parr, and they're really always awesome books, and they always have the best drawings. Todd Parr is a great illustrator. So let's read this one, The Thankful Book by Todd Parr. The Thankful Book. He just has the best, cutest pictures, doesn't he? Every day, I try to think about the things that I'm thankful for. So maybe not even just in November. You could think about being thankful every day. I am thankful for my hair because it makes me unique. That means something that's different about you that not anybody else has. I am thankful for my ears because they let me hear words like, I love you. Look at that elephant's nice big ears. I am thankful for my garden because I like to watch things grow. I am thankful for my shadow because it makes me look taller. Oh, Todd Parr really does the best, cutest pictures. I am thankful for bubble baths because they keep me squeaky clean. I am thankful for underwear because I like to wear it on my head. That is silly. Oh my goodness. How silly. I am thankful for my friends because they make me smile. I know I'm thankful for you guys, my little friends. You guys make me smile every day. I am thankful for my pets because they keep me warm. I am thankful for vacations because I get to see new people and places. I am thankful for walks because they are special times for just you and me. I am thankful for my hands because they help me give gifts. Aww. I am thankful for my feet because they help me run and play. I am thankful for music because it makes me want to dance. Me too, definitely. I am thankful for colors because they make me want to paint. Aw, look, she painted a turkey. Lots of colors there. I am thankful for school because I love to learn new things. I'm thankful for school too. I am thankful for the library because it's filled with endless adventures. I am thankful for healthy foods because it keeps me strong. Whoa, that is a big carrot. We've been talking about healthy foods too, don't forget. I am thankful for the fall because I like to jump in the leaves. I am thankful for the winter because I like to build a snowman. I am thankful for hugs because they make me feel good. I am thankful for kisses because they make me feel loved. Oh my gosh, I am thankful for those things too. So special. I am thankful for holidays because they bring my family together. Oh, look at this cute little family. They might be celebrating Thanksgiving. There are lots of things to be thankful for. Try to remember some of them every day. The end. Love, Todd. That's Todd Parr, the man who made this book. But he has a great point. There are so many things to be thankful for. And after reading this book, I realized I'm thankful for so many more things than I had even thought of. My feet for helping me run, my hair because it makes me unique. What else was there? There was healthy foods, the library, school. There were so many different things in this book to be thankful for. Now would be a good time for you to think of some new things that you're thankful for too. All right, friends, I'll see you soon. Bye.